just have to do it quick or it hurts if you don't.
I know.
Oh, you have me on video?
Yeah. I do. All right, JC. Yes, I'm gonna film you.
There should be one person out of the water at all times
to watch.
For gators.
I'm out.
I wouldn't want myself in a bikini.
I'm not gonna put this one on public. This is just for. Let me see your face, Jace.
So,
okay,
jump in. Be famous? Let's hear it. I don't know.
I'm gonna get in when you get in.
I'm not gonna get in until you get in.
I'm gonna take a video of you underwater getting in.
I don't want to. It gets over your head right.
All right, then take. It's on. Take one of me. I'm gonna go. Ready? Okay, it's on already. Okay, ready? You want me to go under with it?
No, you don't have to. Ready? This is how we roll. You go like this.
You.
One place. I just peed. If you pee, you have to pee downriver.
Yes. Okay, Jace, your turn.
That's a good idea. Do it. You can do it.
Go.
You can do it. Ah.
Go.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Go. 2, 4, 5. Don't count. I'm about to go in.
There's big deer flies behind you. Get in the water now.
There's a gator.
Get in the water. Come on, fraidy cat.
I'm not scared.
Come on, Mermaid JC.
Ah! What would it help if I went underwater if there was a gator?
It
would not be good.
I'm going to splash you if you don't go under the water.
I'm gonna get under.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I wonder if there's any gators hiding under that thing right there.
No.
They could be.
No.
You should go poop over there. You're getting in the hard way. Slow.
Just jump in.
It hurts that way.
Jump in, Jace.
Good. It hurts.
Wait, can you turn it off? I gotta pee.
Ouchie.